Hi, my name is Roman Lappat, a miniature painter from Augsburg, Germany. You might know me, I might have influenced you on your journey as a miniature painter. Miniature painting is my passion since 2 decades now, and my full-time profession. I do paint a lot of commissions, paint a lot of beautiful miniatures, dioramas and different projects, but I also teach. You might know me for my famous workshops that I do, hands-on workshops. Since these 2 decades now, I taught over 5,000 students in private coachings and weekend workshops, and many more to come. For my healthy, happy painting approach, for spreading joy and inspiration wherever I can as an ambassador for this craft. A lot of people ask me, why Patreon? There's a reason, a very simple reason. Many people and hobbyists ask me where they can support me. This is the place. I will keep this as an old school patronage, where you can support me with different tiers. Feel invited to check back with the tiers available. There are many things coming at you, but I will not throw a lot of stuff at you. I will keep this as simple as possible, as a basic old school traditional classic patronage. Thank you for your support. Your patronage will give you access to different tiers. But like I said, I will keep it classic and throw not too much stuff at you. But of course, I will continue to do all my free stuff for YouTube, for example, and spreading joy of miniature painting and my happy painting philosophy all around and wherever I can. This continues, of course, without a patronage. Welcome to my Patreon. Thanks for joining up. Thank you very much for your support from the bottom of my heart. Keep on happy painting. Roman out. Bye bye. See you in my Patreon.